Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday. It's a Wednesday morning. No, it's actually Thursday. Can you believe that? It's Thursday morning. How's everyone doing? How's my fantastic friends doing here on YouTube? Well, today I am going to make pork chops. I haven't had pork chops in a very long time, but I'm gonna bake them. So far, what I've done is I've cleaned them. You see this? Got them in this foil pan. I've cleaned the pork chops. What I added to it, I have it marinating in, is my go-to apple cider vinegar. Put that on all my meats. And I added a little oil. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is add some of this. Now with pork, it has a lot of sodium in it already, and so this is just to darken it some. All right, so I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit in there. All right, and then just kind of, you can see this. See that? So it gives a little dark color there. Switch it around a little bit here. And the next thing I'm gonna add is some garlic powder. And I'm gonna just add a little bit of the Montreal steak seasoning, just a little bit. Add some garlic powder on it, on both sides. I like to add it where the fat part is. Add as much there. Hope you guys can hear me because I tend to speak very soft, very low tone voice. And get rid of this fork. Sprinkle as much because it's garlic powder, it's not garlic salt. So you can put as much as you want on there. I'm going to add just a little bit of the Montreal steak seasoning. Okay, it has all these things and it gives a little kick to it. Okay, and I'm preheating the oven on broiled. Okay, that's what they look like. 4 big pieces. All right, and I'm gonna stick them in the oven, and when they come out, I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Stay tuned. There's the pork. It's looking good. I'm gonna leave it in there and let it keep cooking. Okay, I'm back, guys, and my pork chop is in the oven baking. And what I'm doing is I'm making like an onion apple glaze gravy for the pork. Waiting for this to get really golden brown, and I'm cooking it in a deep pot. That way all the oil doesn't spill over on the stove. And then I have my Granny Smith apples cut up in small pieces that I will be putting in here to cook. And I'm just waiting for this to get really golden brown. And then when I'm done, I'll be right back. Okay, so I transported the onions in a bowl. Let them burn, and then I'll put little pieces in the pot. And so I've added my apple pieces to this, and it doesn't have to cook all the way through. You don't want to melt it. I'm going to turn the stove off, okay, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to add to it. So guys, I added this LaCroix sweet and sour sauce to the apples, right? And I'm going to take it off the heat and let it marinate. Okay, so I went ahead and added the onions now that everything stopped cooking. Okay, so you see I have it a little bit separated there. And this is what we're gonna put as a little side dish to our pork. I'm baking some sweet potato, some basmati rice, and also cooking some corn on the cobs, the mini ones. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, the pork chop is done. They are done, everyone. Okay, so I'm gonna put together the dish and show you this apple glazed with onion pork chops.